am Teacher Joanne, your ESL teacher from the Philippines. It's nice to meet you. I am graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. I have acquired my TEFL certificate, which means I am qualified to teach kids, young learners, and even adults. So, you're in a good hands. During my spare time, I do blogging and editing videos. I have been working with children for the past several years now, and now I am here to help you learning English in a fast and engaging ways. I use See Me? Yes. Can you hear me? That's great. And even I use drops and the rewards for you to have fun while learning. So what are you waiting for? See you in my class. Bye-bye.